Hello guys, I am your friend Akshay and you are watching AutoZone India. We are going to do an review of all new Hyundai Elantra 2020 model. But before that, those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to never ever miss any of my motor updates. The all new Hyundai Elantra will make you to make and bold statements to the world full of possibilities. When you did, you can reach your goals. When you step out of the sea of the sameness, you can explore the extraordinary. So this will help you to do with somehow with Hyundai Elantra 2020. As you know, the dynamics are pretty good since all the design is completely fluidic design. So don't hold back with its time and make it move forward. Grab the driving wheel and get going. Talking about the designs, it's an sporty and luxurious sleek headlamps combined with the expressive hexagonal grille, creating premium look, ready to leap forward. The unique and the robust, the all-new Elantra boasts its new dynamics with an wheel arch design and redefined proportions to stimulate your driving passion. Since the aerodynamic design, it's a complete high-tech package design on a new level with optimized technologies. Its sporty chassis structure is ideally designed to maximize the stability and fuel economy. Smart sunroof. Yeah, how can we forget that? Smart sunroof. It's an electronically controlled smart sunroof with one-touch operation for added convenience. Smart trunk systems simply carry a load more luggage easily with a smart key thanks to the smart tailgate system that automatically opens the trunk within 3 seconds when it's standing near a perimeter. Although the new Elantra supports Android CarPlay and Auto, also Apple CarPlay. Hyundai Elantra comes with 5 color options, out of which fiery red, second one is marina blue, third one is phantom black, fourth one is polar white, and the fifth one is typhoon silver. With an imposing stance and breathtaking exterior styling, the all-new 2020 Elantra is sure to attract attention on the roads. The dynamic LED quad projector headlamp and vivid projection of daytime running lamps (DRLs) illuminate the road in style while providing an even wider view for safer driving. Dominant front grille design. Hyundai Motor signature hexagon grille is upgraded with a dynamic and vibrant design to exude a great sense of energy. Now talking about the safety features, it comes with an ISOFIX, safety windows, front and rear parking sensors with rear camera, emergency stop signal, tire pressure monitoring system with display on MID, vehicle stability management, as well as electronic stability control with ABS and EBD. Talking from a performance point of view, the vehicle comes with an petrol engine, 2-liter petrol engine BS6, which is capable of maximum 152 PS horsepower at to 6,200 RPM and 19.6 kgm torque at 4,000 RPM with a high fuel efficiency. It comes with a manual, 6-speed manual and automatic transmissions. Apart from that, it comes with a drive select mode, which comes for an eco, for a high fuel efficiency, and sports mode for an performance enthusiasts. Talking about the prices of the Elantra, it starts with around 16 lakhs and goes till around 20 lakhs. These are the on-road prices. So why are you waiting for? Go grab the deal. Also, you're watching the same so far and you had liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to never ever miss any of my motor updates.